In today's video, we are going to show you how to paper trade options on Webull so you can practice options trading without risking real money. Now, you can use the Webull web app, but we highly suggest using the Webull desktop app because it gives you more features, more tools, and better control when placing options trade. And by the way, we already have a separate video on our channel showing you how to download and install the Webull desktop app. So make sure to check that out after this one. Now, inside the Webull desktop app, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the More Options. And here you would see that you have the option for the paper trading. If you can't see these options, you want to make sure that your account is fully verified because if you don't, you're not going to be able to use and unlock all of these tools and features. On the paper trading, you will be asked to choose a layout. And I want you to choose the options trading because this will enable you to have the stock and options on the drop-down menu. And from here, click the option contract that you want. For example, this one, okay? And an order window will pop up and appear here. Make sure it says paper trading account. And click the order type. Let's say we're going to be choosing this one. And select the limit, quantity, limit price, and click the simulated buy option. Then confirm your order. Remember, paper trading is for practice. Don't just randomly click trades, treat it like a real money. The goal is to build confidence before risking real capital. And basically, that's how you paper trade options on Webull. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.